कच्छ नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा. You might have heard this in the Gujarat advertisements. And Run of Kutch festival is very famous. Also, White Desert is something for which people come. But Run of Kutch festival is very crowded and there are a lot of people, and you might not find clean White Desert. So it gets dirty with people walking all over. So we came to Dholavira, which is little far from the greater run where the actual festival happens.
It's so pretty. We came here for sunrise and we are still waiting for the sun to rise. There's a moon. I could see the moon. We were here during the night for the full moon, but could not really, like, everything was not visible. Very good. But right now everybody's here and it's never ending White Desert.
चल रहे थे ना लोग, उनको बिठा दिया होगा. हाँ, પછી આપણને ઘરે આપશે વિડિયો.
નંબર બોલતો જ તારો આપી દેશે. ચાલ જલ્દી સેટ કર
એને
WhatsApp
આ ગરીબ માણસ ક્યાંથી આયા બધા? જબ ચલતા ચલતા
ए मेरा ले
अभी सीधा इंस्टाग्राम पे जाएगा.
अभी आगे
ए सावन हम यहाँ नहीं बहुत है.
हाँ ऊपर रखो.
By the way, idea मैं जब पे तो. Yes, thanks for your idea. Thank you.
आभार.
Thank you. पर बोला पहले मैंने. अच्छा.
बस के ऊपर चले थे ना उसी से बोला था लॉट में चढ़े.
अरे हाँ, आप लोगों ने तो कितना लंबा राउंड लेके आए. मजा ही
Three cheers for STU!
So sitting inside a bus is something that I've always done. But this is another level fun. Sitting on the rooftop of the bus and dude, with so many people, this is another level fun. I've done so many adventures, but this is amazing experience, and I'm not kidding. And I want to sit in a truck also. I mean, yeah, I want to maybe someday.
So we are not at Run of Kutch festival. We are right now at Dholavira, which is a place from Mohenjo-daro and Harappan civilization. And nearby there is sculptures from Harappan civilization. And this is outskirts of Kutch, which is not very popular place. So you will not find so many people here. But you can see all, like, the layer is very clean and crystal clean over there. There are not many footsteps, although where I'm standing there are footsteps because a lot of my friends have walked up from here. But yeah, so this is super pretty and we are gonna see the sunrise in a while. So we came from that end to this end. So we literally came from one end to the other end to see what's there. And it's all same, but we could find some temple noises here, and there's a property in the center of this whole White Desert. There were fellows coming, there was a cactus we found, and it was a fun ride from here till there. And we're gonna go back, and there is sunrise right at the back of me. Still the sun hasn't risen completely. We are waiting for the complete sunrise. And let's see. I'm loving it.
And dude, I am going to show you something very exciting. So this is Dholavira, where Harappan civilization, which is 5,000 years old, even older than pyramids of Egypt.
Hey guys, so we are in Dholavira, which is in Kutch. This is not Run of Kutch, but this is last village in Kutch, last village in India in Kutch. And this is archaeological site over here where we have seen Mohenjo-daro and Harappan civilization, the very first civilization we have ever had. We just saw inside and there were remains of what was there earlier. So we have seen the remains, how the water reservoirs were, how they used to live and how many number of people were there, amphitheater and everything was inside, which I'm gonna show you in the video itself. And it was so interesting to know about the history and how well they have planned everything, how well they have managed and engineered everything in such a way that everything was connected. And there was a water cooler, natural water cooler. There was a reservoir and all the reservoirs are connected to each other, and there was a well as well, and they does not take out water with a rope from the well, but the water drainage goes and it supplies the water to entire city. And this was 5,000 years back. Can you believe this? So yeah, I'm gonna show you.
This civilization has been really interesting, and we have read about it in our history books in school as well. And this is built across a lake or a river maybe. Surprisingly, Dholavira now is a dry state with salt lake. So it becomes really interesting that how the reservoirs were there and how they have built the civilization so aesthetically correct. And there was trigonometry used, there were hydrology used, and everything was so perfectly accurate in terms of mathematics also. You can actually see water harvesting being done there. So how water reservoirs used to work back then when there was nothing. Without any doubt, it is a well-planned civilization. Now under UNESCO Heritage, this civilization was originally spread across Afghanistan, Pakistan, Baluchistan actually, and the remains are being found there as well. So whatever remains were found from the civilization, like the vessels they used, currency that time, and lot of other things that they used and ornaments has been kept in the museum. There is an archaeological museum where you can see the remains. And then there is an excavated site of Dholavira where you can actually get a little bit idea about how the structure was built and how well it has been made. You can hire a guide who can tell you details about the structure and everything, and it is really interesting. I mean, I don't have that much interest in history, but this was really interesting to know that back 5,000 years how they have built everything and how intelligent they were and how they knew everything. They were so modern. I mean, even better than the modern civilization. That is well.
हाँ, ये एक हुआ। ये देखें, हम लोगों ने 12-13 मीटर खोदा, उनके बाद और भी रहेगा। हम ऐसे सोच करते हैं कि ये इंसान ने महल के अंदर महल बनाया। ये किला है, किला के अंदर कुआं है, इनको बाहर जाने का नहीं, पानी का सुविधा अंदर ही देख के ना। और कितना घेरा रहेगा वो पता नहीं। फिर अपने क्या देखा कि पानी कैसे बाहर आएगा। ये देखिए हम लोग ये देखिए, ये रस्सी के निशान देखिए, हाँ यहाँ से खींचेगा, यहाँ डाल देगा।
It was very well planned, and even the water harvesting was done back then, and it was such a well-planned civilization. And then, apart from that, there was White Salt Lake in Dholavira. So we have seen the sunset and the full moon night was there. I could not capture full moon night videos.
Yay! I'm so happy. So I've never seen White Desert before, and this is for the first time I am at White Desert and I am loving it.
but it was so pretty to have seen white desert on a full moon night and have a bonfire there. So we stayed in Run Resort, and this was completely offbeat compared to the Run festival, because usually everybody goes to the festival and it is very crowded out there. Of course, you can enjoy a lot of activities that takes place there, and which is also fun, of course, but this is altogether different experience, and I think one should come to Dholavira to have a look at this Indus Valley civilization.